Hi everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems or Snapchat music. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat music, you should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will search about Snapchat and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click for stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi and you will click here to turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.